Hey, what's going on, guys? Fred Stake Up here. Welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I have some important information that I want to share with you guys. As you've seen from the title, it's going to be about the Infinix Note 10. You shock you, Abi? Yeah, so Infinix is going to skip 9 and move to 10. And why is that? Okay, you see, Apple did the same thing. They skipped 9 when it comes to the iPhone and went directly to iPhone 10. Microsoft also did the same thing. They skipped Windows 9 and went directly to Windows 10. So you see, 9 is not really a good number, and Infinix understands this. That's why Infinix is leaving 9 and going directly to 10, which makes a whole lot of sense. Others have been doing it, so why can't Infinix do the same? So in today's video, I'm going to share the official specification, what to expect from this awesome device with you guys. I know a lot of Infinix fans out there will be so excited about this, so I'm here to do the necessary, share this information with you guys. So let's jump right in and talk about this Infinix Note 10 series that is coming. Okay, so starting off with the display, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is expected to come with a 6.85-inch IPS LCD display, not AMOLED. We're not going to be having AMOLED today. I don't know when we're going to have AMOLED back again on the Note series. So the good news about the display is that it's not going to be a 720p display like the predecessor, but we're going to have a 1080p 90Hz display on the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Can Infinix just surprise us and bring back the AMOLED display, even if it's not going to be an AMOLED display with a faster refresh rate? I think that would make a whole lot of sense than a 1080p IPS display with 90Hz. If you agree with me, let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the camera. The Infinix Note 10 Pro is expected to come with a 64 megapixels main sensor and an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor, then a 2 megapixels camera and another 2 megapixels. That might just be for low light or for some other thing that Infinix knows better than I do. Then on the selfie department, we're going to have a 40 megapixels camera for selfie. I think it might come with a secondary camera, making it 2 cameras in front. Okay, so moving forward, let's talk about the battery. The Infinix Note 10 Pro here is expected to retain the same 5200 mAh battery that came with the Infinix Note 8. Yeah, so as I always say, any device with up to 5000 mAh battery should be able to last you for a whole full day without you needing to recharge again, which is quite interesting. So it makes a whole lot of sense if the Infinix Note 10 Pro should come with above 5000 mAh battery, and I would not expect them to downgrade lower than 5000 mAh battery, which would not really make a whole lot of sense. And at the same time, it's going to come with a fast charger out of the box, which is a 33 watt fast charger, which is nice. So you see, using a 5000 mAh battery with a 33 watt fast charger shouldn't take longer time. You should expect it to take at least an hour plus to juice it up from 0 to 100%, which is nice. Okay, so moving forward, let's talk about our sponsor for today's video, which is Skillshare. So I've talked about Skillshare in the past, but if you're new here, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and aspiring people who want to explore new skills and deepen their existing thoughts into creativity. For example, people who want to go into web development, graphics design, videography, film and video production, UI and UX design, and many more. So since my job requires a lot of scripting and storytelling, I recently started taking classes on creative writing and storytelling, specifically on the topic of character, conflict, context, and craft by Daniel Older. And it has been an amazing class so far. Then color grading is another class I continued from where I stopped because I want to really improve in this aspect. So Fred Trevino's classes on creating a cinematic look has been more and more interesting, and this is one of the reasons you should click the link in the description box immediately. Skillshare is designed specifically for learning, so it is strictly ads-free, which means it will allow you to focus more on whatever your creativity takes you. The best thing about Skillshare is that they keep on launching new premium classes, so to always keep you updated. With Skillshare, you can find inspiration at the moment and learn how to express your creativity. And this is less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. But you know what? To the first 1,000 of my subscribers, so click the link in the description, will get a free trial of premium membership with full access to all the curated classes. So make sure to check the link in the description box, all right? And also see my pinned comment. So let's continue with the rest of the video. So let's talk about the processing power of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Yeah, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is expected to come with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor. Sounds old, right? Yeah, the Helio G90T processor is actually a decent processor. That was the same chipset that came with the Infinix 08 and the Tecno Carbon 16 Premier. But the thing is, I don't know how it's going to compare with the likes of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 series that was announced some weeks ago. Yeah, let's just see what the future holds for Infinix here. So moving on to the memory aspect, which is the RAM. The base model is expected to come with 4 gigs of RAM. Then we're going to have another version with 6 gigs of RAM. Then the top dog will come with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. We're also going to have an option for 64 gig and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. At least there will be something for everybody. Okay, moving on, let's talk about software. So the Infinix Note 10 Pro or the Infinix Note 10 series is expected to come with Android 11 out of the box, which is nice. But here's what I want to tell Infinix, or here's what I want Infinix to do. Please, can you guys cut down on the level of Bluetooth you guys install on your phone? Like, there are too many. If you do that, it will give us a smooth user experience, and it will mean a whole lot for anybody that is jumping ship from another device to your own device. As for pricing, I do not really have much information about it, but expect it to start as low as 80,000 Naira or $200. Then we're going to have variants that will go above or up to $300. All right. Then as for release date, the Infinix Note 10 Pro or the Note 10 series is expected to be released at the end of this month or early next month. But you know what, guys? Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Share your thoughts with me about the Infinix Note 10 series that is coming. All right. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and you know what to do. Subscribe to join this awesome family, and please don't forget to turn on that post notification as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye.